are new to this channel, you know the drill. Make sure you click that subscribe button and you turn on the post notifications so you're updated when I do post new content. If you guys are ready to see the details on this gorgeous unit, then make sure you keep on watching. So I am so very thankful for the partnerships and friendships and collaborations that I've created over the years of doing YouTube. And my friends at Hera Remy, they noticed that I was back up and filming and they offered to send me a few units to go ahead and review for you guys. So thank you once again so much to Hera Remy for just being a good partner and realizing that I was back in action and offering to continue to collaborate with me. So I really appreciate that. So yeah, this video is brought to you guys by Hera Remy. Shout out to them. So before I get into my thoughts on this unit, let's just go ahead and read off the specs of this unit so you guys know exactly what I have on my head. This wig was, like I mentioned, it's a Hera Remy wig. It is called the Hera Remy Premium Synthetic Deep Part Lace Front Layla Wig, 16 inches. So it's 16 inches long. The color that I currently have on is the Ombre 1B Dulce. So it's this gorgeous brown color, another natural looking unit for you guys. And the retail price for this unit is $24.45, so it's really affordable. Another affordable unit from Hera Remy. And it comes in a variety of different colors. This wig has the standard cap construction of pretty much all synthetic wigs. You do have two combs on either side of the part. They're more on the side of the head though, just so you're aware. And there is a comb in the back. There is adjustable straps on this unit as well. It's a really pretty layered, wavy, kind of bob sort of a wig, but it's a very natural style and I feel like it'll look good for any occasion that you guys are looking for. Shedding and tangling, I hate to say, when I first put this unit on and I was trying to style it, I did have some shedding. As I'm running my fingers through it, I am getting like a couple pieces of hair here and there, so that is something to note. And I will also note that I did get a little bit of tangling for this unit as well. More so towards the ends, my fingers seem to kind of get stuck like right toward the ends. Not like terrible tangling, but when I was trying to brush through it using my wig brush, I was getting some tangles toward the end of this hair. Okay, so now let's jump into my thoughts and opinion on this unit. I actually really like this unit, aside from the fact that I did receive some shedding and tangling, which I'm a little nervous about just as far as like the tangling goes, because it is fresh out of the pack and I feel like tangling only increases with synthetic units. So I am a little bit worried about the tangling, and the shedding is... it's a little bit much, but it's not to the point where I feel like it makes me not want to wear the unit. I really like the style of this unit. I feel like the cut is like really natural, and as well as like these really pretty waves. You just kind of have like this really effortless look going with this unit that I really like. I feel like this is a look that I would want to wear on a day-to-day basis, be it for work, class, you name it. I feel like this unit will look good with you wearing it. Another thing that I really like is the coloring. I swear Hera Remy cannot go wrong with their colors. This coloring is just really nice and pretty. It is an ombre and it goes from like a 1B dark root into this really pretty chocolate brown color. You do have like highlights throughout of different browns and like different levels of brown, which I really like. I just feel like it's just colored so well, and I don't know, I just really am obsessed with the colors of this brown units by Hera Remy. I just feel like they just get brown right like every time, that you just can't go wrong with any of their brown units. And this is just another one of those like really pretty gorgeous units. I almost forgot to talk about the cap size. We all know that I have a big head and I do have a lot of hair that I braid up under these caps. This cap unfortunately is a little snug on my head. I do feel like I maybe need to get my braids a little bit flatter if I want it to lay a little bit more comfortably on my head, but it is fitting my head pretty snug right now, and that is just something to note. If you do have a big head, then this cap is a little bit on the small side, but if you can get your braids flat, I think it'll be able to work for you. Alright guys, so if you want to check out this unit or any other Hera Remy units, I will leave the links down in the description box below. Make sure you open up that description box and check out what they have. I feel like you'll really love their units. I know I do, and yeah, I definitely wanted to share them with you again. So if you have any questions for me, open up that comment section, leave me a question, comment, just say hey, whatever. I love hearing from you guys, so make sure you guys leave me some type of comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up because that's how I grade my content. That's how I know what to film next for you guys. So if you want to see more wig reviews and tutorials from me, then make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. Before you leave this video, click that subscribe button and join my crew. I would love to have you stick around. I am like 200 away from 11K, which is really exciting to start off the new year. So definitely hit that subscribe button, and until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye!